Today I'm going to show you how I've made my chair visible when I'm outside in the dark. To start with, I've got my blanket here and I've sewn on some reflective tape onto it. And on this armrest I have one of these generic battery operated LED lights. And I put some sticky Velcro onto the back of it, and I put some sticky Velcro onto my armrest. I can just pop that on any old time. And underneath the joystick here, I just took the body of an old headlamp I had, LED again, and taped it on, and it just stays there all the time. So the object of the lights out in front aren't so I can see where I'm going down the street. It's so so the drivers coming towards me can see the lights, and they'll bounce in their eyes and hopefully catch the attention of them. And so for the side and the back, I went down to my local automotive supply store, and I picked up 4 8-inch long clear bar lights and 4 oval red trailer lights. I'll just spin around here. So 1 bar light here. You got the 4 red trailer lights in behind, and 2 bar lights off the post of my headrest, and then another bar light down there. So I picked up a small roll of red wire and a small roll of black wire and a 2-way toggle switch, and I wired it all together. I put the toggle switch down here. I can just zip it in and out. And all this stuff is 12 volt, and my chair is a 24 volt system, so I didn't bother hooking it up to the 24 volt system because I don't know if that's going to make something start smoking or not. So I had old battery operated 12 volt battery drill and a couple chargers hanging around, and I eBayed up a couple new batteries. They're about 15-20 bucks each. And one of the chargers I stripped down to as small as I could possibly get it and still accept the battery, and I ran a positive lead out of it and a negative lead out of it, and I wired that into the toggle switch. So I can just take this battery and I pop it in there. It's nice and solid, and it's in a little bag here with a string on it, so I can just hook it up, and I drop it into another bag in behind my wheelchair, and it's out of the way. I get about 2.5 hours worth of light out of the 1 battery, and the cost was about 110 or 120 bucks for all the wire and the lights themselves. And as far as the chargers are concerned, I had a couple hanging around, but people don't use 12 volt battery drills or anything like that anymore. So I'm sure if you found some building contractor, they probably would have some brand of a 12 volt battery system and chargers that they probably just give you. So I'm going to splice in a night shot here, but it really doesn't do justice to how really bright it is. Once you turn it on, there's about a 20-foot orb of light around you, and people say they can see me from 2 blocks away. And going across the sidewalk, people are going to see you. That's about it, and I think we'll just splice into an evening shot here. It's not quite dark out yet, but it's really hard to get a shot in the dark without it being a big blur. So it doesn't quite give it justice the way the lights glow, but give you a bit of a look-see here anyways. One more time.
That's it.